The Unihertz Titan 2 is another smartphone from Unihertz with an integrated QWERTY keyboard. So if you're a huge Blackberry fan, for example, then you may want to check this device out. It's a better upgrade over the Unihertz Titan. It's currently being promoted on Kickstarter. I think the device would officially launch at the end of this month. Anyway, let's explore its top features and specs. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So the Unihertz Titan 2 is powered by the Dimensity 7300 5G octa-core processor paired with 12GB of RAM and a massive 512GB of UFS 3.1 storage. Running on the latest Android 15, the Titan 2 is built for longevity and security. Powering the device is a 5050 mAh battery with 33 watts fast charging, so you stay connected longer without frequent recharging. Camera-wise, the Titan 2 packs a 50MP main sensor and an 8MP telephoto lens with 3.4x zoom, and it has a 32MP front-facing camera for selfies and video calls. The device is 10.8mm thick and it weighs 235 grams with the battery included, giving it a solid, durable feel in hand. On the display front, it features a 4.5-inch main screen with a high resolution of 1440 by 1440 pixels, giving you a sharp and square viewing experience. There's also a 2-inch sub-display with 410 by 502 resolution, which is perfect for quick glances at time, notifications, or controls. Other features of the Titan 2 includes Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS and other essential navigation systems are supported. The device is also packed with sensors including a fingerprint sensor, side-mounted fingerprint sensor, G-sensor, gyroscope, proximity and the others. It also features NFC, IR blaster, USB and OTG support, a loudspeaker and even an FM radio. So these are the top features of the Unihertz Titan 2. As I mentioned earlier, the device is currently being pushed on Kickstarter, so it's not available yet, but it seems it would likely go official at the end of July. Anyway, what do you guys think? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.